In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add multiple accounts in Notion so you can easily switch between different workspaces without logging in and out every time. This is perfect if you manage personal projects, client work, or team spaces all in Notion and want everything accessible in one place. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to add and manage multiple Notion accounts smoothly. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your primary Notion account on either the desktop app or the web version. Once you're inside Notion, look over to the left-hand sidebar where all your pages and spaces are listed. From here, the first thing you want to do is create or open a new page. You can do this by clicking on New Page in the sidebar. This step helps ensure you're actively inside your workspace and can see all available account options clearly. Now that you're inside Notion, move your attention to the top of the sidebar where you see your current workspace name. This will usually show the name of your space, such as your personal workspace or a team workspace. Click directly on your workspace name. In this example, it's labeled as AYT Space. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear showing your current account details and available options. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Add Another Account. This is the key feature that allows you to use multiple Notion accounts at the same time. Go ahead and click on Add Another Account. Notion will now prompt you to sign in with another email address. You can either log in with an existing Notion account or create a brand new one if you haven't set it up yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login process. Once you're signed in, Notion will automatically add this account to your account switcher. After the account is added, you'll notice that you can now switch between accounts instantly. Anytime you want to change accounts, just click on your workspace name again in the sidebar and select the account you want to use. There's no need to log out or close Notion, which makes managing multiple projects much faster and more efficient. This is especially useful for freelancers, students, and teams who need clear separation between different workspaces. One important thing to keep in mind is that each account maintains its own permissions, pages, and settings, so make sure you're working in the correct account before editing or sharing anything. You can repeat this same process to add even more accounts if needed, all from the same menu. And that's it, you've successfully added multiple accounts in Notion and can now switch between them with just a couple of clicks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.